Your Dyson V10 handheld vacuum cleaner suddenly doesn't work like it used to. That powerful suction gone, the convenience replaced by frustration. Let's see what one of our customers experienced. Their Dyson V10, a cleaning powerhouse, suddenly lost its roar. The culprit? A faulty motor. Imagine the struggle. Dirty floors piling up, pet hair everywhere, and that feeling of helplessness. They tried everything, charging it endlessly, cleaning filters, even watching countless DIY videos. Dyson V10 handheld vacuum cleaner that suddenly doesn't work can be caused by many things, and one of the things experienced by our customer is a faulty motor. If not handled by an expert, this problem can be complex, misdiagnosed, and cause damage to other components. Relying on personal instincts or trying DIY has many risks. You could void your warranty, damage sensitive electronics, or even injure yourself. A motor issue could turn into a full-blown component failure, costing you much more in the long run. The fear of a permanently broken vacuum, the dread of spending a fortune on a new one, or the frustration of a failed DIY attempt. So what are you waiting for? Instead of risking further damage or wasting precious time, it's better to trust the experts at RoboCare. RoboCare provides the best service and repair with precise diagnosis and genuine parts, as well as transparent communication to all customers. Our technicians aren't just general repairmen. They are specialists with years of hands-on experience with Dyson's complex motors. It's a delicate operation that can easily go wrong in untrained hands, risking permanent damage to the main circuit board. We don't just guess. Using advanced diagnostic equipment, we test the power draw and communication between the main board and the motor to confirm the fault with 100% certainty. Our solution is precise. We carefully replace the faulty motor with a genuine component, ensuring your vacuum not only works, but performs like new. And the result? The Dyson V10 is back, not just working, but working like new. The powerful suction restored, the frustration gone. Don't believe it. Feel the direct experience of having your Dyson V10 function again without problems, just like our satisfied customer. Contact RoboCare today